Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So Jaipreet Ma'am is here again with the new session 7 on number system and its operation. So first let me give you an introduction of Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. We provide you 100% live and interactive classes, and we have a personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students only. We also have a dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on students' progress. Cover syllabus as per school exam schedule, and we also handle custom requests. So let's see some key features of Swiflearn. We provide you detailed progress report in which every learning parameter is discussed in detail. Here, student can attempt Swiflearn academic test series and can compete with different students. Student can also practice and take unlimited practice tests, and both objective and subjective are available so that they can prepare for their school exam. So visit our website swiflearn.com and book your free trial now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's begin our topic, operation on large numbers. So let's see what we are going to learn today in the class. First of all, we will do the revision, whatever we have learnt in the session 6, that is addition and subtraction of large numbers, and then we will learn two new operations, multiplication of large numbers, division of large numbers, and we will also solve some word problems related to multiplication and division. So let's begin. Let's start with the revision. So the number is 78 crore 67 lakh 54,362, and you have to take away 6 crore 75 lakh 64,376, and whatever the answer will come, and you have to add 8 lakh 79,999 to get the final solution. Okay, so let's start doing the question. Okay, so we have a number, so I am writing this number over here. So it's 78 crore 67 lakh 54,362, and you have to take away one thing keep in mind, which I have already told you in the previous session. Write the numbers below the same place value, like write ones below ones, tens below one, tens below tens, okay, and so on. So now let's start doing subtraction. So here 2 is smaller than 6. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 and it will become 12 and it will become 5. Okay. So 12 minus 6 is 6, and now 5 is less than 7. So it will again borrow and it will become 15, and 15 minus 7 is 8. Now it will become 2. Again 2 is less than 3. Again it will borrow and it will become 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Here 3 is less than 4, take a borrow from 5 and it will become 13, and 13 minus 4 is 8. Okay, then it will become 14. 14, yeah, so it's 9, sorry, it's 9 over here. Okay, so now 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6 is 8, and it's 6 now. 6 minus 5 is 1, and here it will borrow 1, it will become 16, and 16 minus 7 is 9, and here it will become 7. 7 minus 6 is 1 and it's 7. So we will get 71 crore 91 lakh 89,986. Now what we have to do, we have to add 8 lakh 79,999, this number. So let's start adding. So we will write 71 crore 91 lakh 89,986. I will again remind you, just write the new numbers above the numbers, previous numbers, so that there is no confusion. So let's start adding. Yeah, write the numbers, start writing from the right hand side. Write the numbers below the same place value. This is the rule while doing the addition of the large numbers, right? Okay. So what we have to add, 6 and 9 will make 15, 1 carry forward will make 18, 1 carry forward will make 19, 1 carry forward will make 19, 1 carry forward will make 16, 1 carry forward will make 10 and 10 and 2. So 72 crore 69,985. So I write 0 here. Okay. So this is the solution of our answer. So first we did subtraction, then we add 8,79,999 to this number. Okay, so let's do a word problem. We also discussed word problem in our previous class. So the population of a town is 4,87,65,467 in a year 2002. If the population in 2004 becomes 8,79,87,546, find the increase in population, first part, and second part is if the population increased is same for the year 2006, find the population in the year 2006. So what do you understood? हमें क्या करना है? 2002 की population दी है and 2004 की population दी है. You have to find the increase कि 2002 से 2004 तक कितना increase हुआ है population में. Yes, correct. We have to do the subtraction. Okay. Write your answer in the comment box. And whosoever will write first, I will announce his name. Okay. Okay. So we have to take away 4 crore 87,65,467. So let's subtract. Okay. Yeah. So here we will write the new numbers at the top. So 7 is greater than 6. So we will write here 16. It will become 3. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. And here 3 is smaller than 6, it will take 1 and it will become 13, and 13 minus 6 is 7 and it will become 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, and here it's less and it will become 17 and it will become 7. Okay, 17 minus 8 is 9 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is 3 crore 92 lakh 22,079. This is the increase from 2002 to 2004. Now we have to find out the population for 2006. Now we have to add this increase to the population in the year 2004 so that we can find out our solution. So let's start adding. Okay. So we have to now find out the population for the year 2006. Okay. So let's start adding. So I will write 8 crore 79 lakh 87,546, right? And we have to add this increase because the increase is same for the year 2006. Okay, so we have written the numbers and let's start doing addition. So 6 and 9 will make 15, 1 will be carried forward, 7, 4 and 1 will make 12, 1 carry forward will be 6 and it's 9, it's 10, 1 carry forward will make it 12, 1 carry forward will make it 17, sorry, okay, it's 70 and 8 and 3 makes 12 because 1 is carried forward. Okay, so our final answer, the population in the year 2016 is 12 crore 72 lakh 9,625. Got it? So there were two parts of the word problem. Now let's start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Have you ever done multiplication? Yes, multiplication is nothing. It's just repeated addition. I will give you a very simple example. For example, there are 3 boxes and we have some balls in it. Let it be 4 balls. Okay? Okay. So we have to tell the total number of balls in the 3 boxes. So how you will do it? You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it's 12. Or we can do it, there are 3 boxes and the common number of balls, that is 4, that is 4 is in each box. So the answer will be 12. Simple. Or if we have here only 3 boxes, if the number of boxes are more, so it's difficult to do the addition, so we use multiplication. So multiplication is nothing, it's just addition. For example, 4 plus 4 plus 4, it makes 12. So how many times we edit 4? 3 times. So we'll write 3 and we'll write 4 and we will get 12. Okay. So you will remember that multiplication is nothing, it's just repeated addition. Okay. So here is an example, 32 by 6. What does 32 times 6 means? 32 times 6 means you have to add 32 6 times. Now, for example, you have a number 32 times 19. That means you have to add 32 19 times and it will take a lot of time. So we use multiplication instead of addition. So let's solve some problems and then I will tell you how to do the multiplication of a large number. So we have first question here, 36 times 7. So what is the first step? First step is write in a column method, write in a column form. Then do the multiplication. 7 times 6 is 42. So 4 will be carried forward. We will write 4 over here. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 4 makes 25. So our first answer is 252. Okay. Now we have a second question, that is 2-digit multiplication by 2-digit. So it's again very simple. First step, write in a column method. Then first we will do the multiplication with the number which is written at one's place. So it's 5. Okay. So 5 times 6 makes 30. 3 will be carried forward. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 30. Okay. The next is very simple. We know whenever we multiply 1 by any number, the answer is same. Next, in next line you have to put cross below the 0, the number at the ones place. Then write here 26 and do the addition. So 0 plus x will be 0 and 3 and 6 makes 9 and 1 plus 2 makes 3. So the answer is 390. Likewise, you can multiply 3-digit by 2-digit. Okay. So let's see how we can multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So we have 325 and we have to multiply it by 12. So I will write down 3 to 5 and just write in a column method step 1. And start multiplying with the number which is written at the ones place. So what is here? It's 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 carry forward. 4 and 1 makes 5. 3 and 2 makes 6. Again we have 1. So simply write down the number. Then you have to perform the addition. So 0 and 10 and 6 and 3 makes 9 and 3 over here. So our answer is 3900. Okay. Now the next question is you have to multiply 24 by 1000. Whenever you multiply any number with the base numbers like 10, 100, 1000, simply what you have to do, just count the number of zeros. So how many zeros are here? 1, 2 and 3. Write down the number of zeros and 1 multiplied by 24 will be 24. So 24,000 is our answer. Whenever you have to multiply any number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, just write the number of zeros and just multiply with the 1. So you will get your answer in one step only. Okay. So these were the solutions. Now a very interesting fact. The fact is the word multiply is from the Latin multis, meaning multiplex, meaning folds. And another interesting fact is that in the answer to 9 multiplication, the tens and ones digit always up to 9. For example, here we have an example, 9 times 4 is 36, right? If we will add 3 plus 6 is 36, we will do the digit sum, we will add them, the answer is 9. Let's take another example. For example, 72. 9 times 8 is 72, right? If we will do the digit sum of 72, that is 7 plus 2, it will make 9. So the answer is 9. Whenever you multiply any number by 9 and you will do the digit sum, the answer will be 9. Okay? And you can check your answer whether it is correct or wrong. So now let's learn our very important topic, how to do multiplication of a large number. Now it will not be difficult, you can do it very fast. Let me tell you what is the first step. Write the number in the column form such that number at ones are under ones, tens are under tens, and so on. For example, this 56,347 and you have to multiply it with 234. So first write in a column method as I have told in the previous example. Then first multiply the number with the digit at ones place. So what's the digit at ones place? It's 4. Perform the multiplication. 7 times 4 is 28. 2 will be carried forward. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 makes 18. 1 carry forward. 4 times 2, 3 is 12 plus 1 makes 13. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 makes 25. And 4 times 5 is 20. So plus 2 makes 22. Now next step is multiply the number at the tens place. So it's 3 over here. 3 times 7 is 21. And don't forget to erase the previous carry. Otherwise it will create a mess. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 will be carried forward. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 makes 14. 1 carry forward. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 makes 10. 1 carry forward. 3 times 6 is 18 and 1 makes 19. 1 carry forward. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 makes 16. Now what is the next step? Next step is you have to put a cross under it. Then you have to write the next. Okay, now here we have 3 digit. So we have to put cross at ones place. Then we have to put cross at tens place. So now we have to multiply it by 2. 2 times 7, 14. 1 carry forward. 2 times 4 plus 8 plus 1 makes 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. 1 carry forward. And 2 times 5 is 10. And plus 1 makes it 11. And please don't forget to erase the previous carries, otherwise your question will go wrong. Now the next step is simply you have to do the addition. So 8 will be here. 8 plus 1, 9. It will be 4 and 3 will make 11. 1 carry forward will make 15. 1 carry forward will make 18. And 1 carry forward will make it 11. And 1 carry forward is 13. 3 and 1 carry 1 will be 1 because there is no carry forward. Okay? Is it clear how to do a multiplication with a large number? Okay, so challenge of the day, and whosoever will answer, give the correct answer, I am going to take their names in our next session. जो भी challenge of the day का आंसर करेगा comment box में, मैं उस winner का नाम announce करूँगी in our next session. So be ready and write your answer. Some months have 31 days, other months have 30 days. But how many months have 28 days? I will repeat the challenge of the day again. Some months have 31 days, others have 30 days. But how many have 28 days? Don't forget to write the answer because your name will be announced in our next session. Okay? So let's solve some. I will not tell the answer. I will tell you answer in the next session. So let's solve the question now. 45,623 multiplied by 146. So how we are going to do this question? Write the number in the column form, very first step. Then multiply it with 146. Now what is the number at ones place? It's 6. So we have to perform this multiplication. So 6 times 8 is 3 is 18. 1 will be carried forward. It will make 7. 3 and 3 36. 3 will be carried forward. It will make 33. And 3 carry forward will make it 27. Right? And now put a cross under 8 and erase the previous carries. Okay? Now you have 4. 4 times 2 is 12. 1 carry forward 4, 2, 8 and 1 makes 9. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 carry forward. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 2 carry forward and 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Right? Now next put cross on tens place and on ones place and perform the multiplication. Now we have to multiply it with 1. That means you have to write the numbers as it is. So write down the numbers. Is 3, it's 2, it's 6, it's 5 and it's 4. So what is the answer? 8, 7 and 2. Okay. So it's 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So it will be 5 and 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 3. Okay. So 4 times 6, 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37. Okay. Okay, 9 plus 7 plus 3 will make 19. 1 carry forward. It will make 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 carry forward. It will make 16. 1 carry forward. It will make again 60. And 1 carry forward. It will make 6. So our answer is 6,660,958. Here 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 make 13 and 6 times 6 is 36. So 3 will be carried forward. Rest is correct. Okay, let's do the next question. So next question is we have to multiply 6,854 times 264, right? 4 times 4 is 16. 1 carry forward. 4 and 5 20. It become 21. 32, 34. 3 carry forward and is 27. Then we have to multiply it with 6, right? So 6 times 4 is 24 and erase the previous carry first of all. So 2 will be carry forward. So 2 is carry forward. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32 and 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3 will make 51. So 5 carry forward. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 5 will make it 41, right? Now put cross under ones and tens place. So here 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. Erase the previous carries. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 70. 2 times is 13, right? 6 is 12 and plus 1 30. So we have to write down the answer. 6, 5, 14. 1 carry forward will make it 9. And it's 10. 1 carry forward it 8 and 1. So we will get the answer 18,99,456. So this is how we can multiply the two large numbers. So our answer is correct. Let's do a word problem. Let's understand a word problem. A machine prints 23,452 newspaper in 1 hour. And how many newspaper it will be printed in 18 hours? For 1 hour, it's 23,000. So number of newspaper printed in 1 hour is 23,454 and we have to find it for 18 hours. So write down the statement. The statements carries equal marks. For this you will get 1 marks. For this you will get 1 marks and for this multiplication you will get 1 mark. So if you will write only this, you will get 1 out of 3. So write down the statement. It's very important. So how we have to do multiplication? We will do it by 18 times and the answer will be 4,22,136. First we will multiply with 8, then we will multiply with 1, then we will perform the addition. Okay, so let's do a one word problem. Okay, a water tank has capacity of 25,670. What do you mean by capacity? For example, हम सब juice पीते हैं, right? Or any bottle of oil, a bottle of water. So it's written on the back. So it is 1 liter or 1.5 liter. What does this mean? It means it has a capacity of 1 liter and 1.5 liter of water. So capacity means how much one can store, like a water tank, like a bottle. So here the water tank stores 25,670 liters. Find the amount of water in 174 such tanks. So how to do that? So first of all, you have to write the statement: capacity of one water tank. Okay, capacity of one water tank is equal to capacity of one water tank is equal to 25,670. Okay, then you have to find the capacity of 174 such tanks. So write down the statement: capacity of 174 water tanks. Okay, so we write 174. So what we have to do? 174 tanks. You have to perform the multiplication. So we will do the multiplication over here. Multiplied by 174. 4 times 6 is 24. 4, 2 will be carried forward. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 will make it 30. 3 will be carried forward. 4 times 6 is 24 again, and plus 3 will make it 27. 2 will be carried forward. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22 and it's 8 and it's 10. Okay, then you have to multiply it by 7. So 7 times 6 is 42. First erase the previous carries. Okay. Yeah, 7 times 6 is 42. 4 will be carried forward. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4 will make it 53. So 5 will be carried forward. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 5 is 47. 4 will be carried forward. 7 times 5 is 35 plus will make it 39. 3 will be carried forward. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 will make it 17. Now put another cross. So you have to write down the number because it's multiplication by 1 only. So 7, 5, okay, it's 6 and it's 2, right? So we have to write down the answer. So here we will write down the answer. We have to just do the addition now. Okay. Okay. Okay, 4 will be 4. 2 will be 2. Is 10 and 16. 1 will be carried forward. 14, 15, 16 and 17. 1 carry forward will make 16. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 16. 1 carry forward will make it 12. 11. So 1 will be carried forward. It's 2. 21. So our answer is 21,67,690. 624. Okay, so here it will be 11. 1 will be carried forward. Okay, so it will be 10. Okay, so 9 and 6, yeah, so it will be 11. 1 carry forward. Okay, it's 2 here. Okay, so we have written it wrong. So it's 6 here, sorry. It's 6 and it's 5. Okay, it's 6 and it's 5 and it's 2. So we have to edit again. Okay, so let it edit again. So 7 and 6 is 16. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 carry forward, it will make it 14. 1 carry forward will make it 4. So 44,67,624 is our answer. Okay. So let's start with our next topic, that is division. So what is division? Division is nothing, just a repeated subtraction, or we can say Yeah, for example, there is an example 62 times divided by 32 divided by 6. It means that you have to subtract 6 from 32 unless you will get a number that is equal to 0 or less than 6. For example, how many times you have to do subtraction? That is 6 times. So 32 minus 6 is 26. Then again 26 minus 6 is 20. 20 minus 6 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 is our remainder, right? And we have subtracted it 6 times. Okay. So division is nothing, just like multiplication is inverse of addition, is a repeated addition, and division is means that it is a repeated subtraction. So very important terms we involve while doing the subtraction. For example, since we have subtract 6 from 32 5 times with 2 remaining in the end, and our answer will be 5. So 5 will be our question and remainder is 2. So 32, the number which you have to divide, is called a dividend, and the number with which you have to divide is called the divisor, and the answer is known as quotient, and 2 is remainder. That means the remaining is known as the remainder. I will give you one more example. For example, there are 20 chocolates and you have to equally distribute among 4 kids, right? So how you will do? 20 divided by 4, right? So we will divide 20 by 4 and we will come to know how many chocolates each will have. So we know 4 times 5 is 20. That means each child will have 5 chocolates, right? So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 20. Okay. So 5 is our quotient, and what is the total number? 20 is called dividend, and in how many kids you have to divide it, equally distribute it, is known as the divisor, and the remaining is known as the remainder. Got it? So what is division? These are the very important terms used in division. So let's learn one more important relationship of division, from which you can check your answer. Is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. For example, I have given you an example of 20 chocolates. Here we have divisor 6, we got the quotient 5 and the remainder 0. When we will multiply 4 times 5, it will make 20 plus 0 is 20, right? So right hand side is equal to left hand side, dividend is equal to this much. So that means our answer is correct. If the dividend is not equal, right hand side is not equal to left hand side, then that means our answer is not correct. So let's solve how to divide 56,784 by 48. So how we will divide? So write the divisor and dividend in the section as shown. You have to write the dividend inside the box like this. And you have to write the divisor outside the box like this. Then you have to check one by one. First of all, you will check, you have 2 digits, so we will take first 2 digits. So now check 56 is in the table of 48. No, so you have to check number less than 48. So number less than 48 is 48 times 1 is 48. And we will do subtraction like this. 16 minus 8 is 8, and we will bring this 7 down. So it will become 87. So let's check 48 times 2. It's 16, 1 carry forward, and it's 96. So 96 is greater than 87. So we can't do division. We have to again divide it by 1. So 48 times 1 is 48. Then we will do the subtraction. It will become 39. The next digit is 89. Now we have to bring this, 17 minus 8 is 9 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So then we have to bring this 8 down. Now the number is 398. And 398 is much greater than 48. That means it will be a multiple. 48 times 9 or 40 times 8 times. 8. So let's check by 48 times 9, that is 432. And then we have to check 48 times 38 because 432 is greater. So we have to check it for 48 times 8. Now 48 times 8 is 384, and when we will do the subtraction we will get 14, right? Now we have one more number here, it's 4. So we have to bring this 4 down, and 48 times 3 is equal to 148, and when we will do the subtraction we will get 0 as a remainder. So our quotient is 1183 and our remainder is 0. That means it is divisible by 48. So you have to check the table of the given number and just think, if the number is much greater than the given number, so it will be a multiple of times 8, 7 like this. So we have to check it, and this is our quotient and this is our remainder. So let's check our answer. So I have already told you the theorem, the relationship. So dividend here is 56,784 and our quotient is 48 and our divisor is 48 and our quotient is 1183 plus 0. So we will get 56,784 and our answer is correct because left side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so let's click and visualize some multiplication and division. For example, let's first see the multiplication. See the multiplication in 3 models. We will check the 3 models of multiplication designed for the whole numbers. So let's write any number. Let's write 5 and let's write 4. Okay, let's enter and let's start. Let's see the 3 models of multiplication. First we will see jump on a number line. So we know it's 20. So it will jump 5 times because it's 5 times 4 and the answer is 20. Now let's see the array, how it will look like an array. So it's 20. Let's see equal size group. These are the 3 models of multiplication. Okay, and like this in equal size group, that means number of groups are 5, and here inside that we have 4 dots. Okay, let's see the division. A visualization to a division. Let's write any number. Let's write 5 divided by 7. So let's see. Let's start. Okay, first we will do repeated subtraction. So repeated subtraction will be like this. Okay, so we have to subtract 7 times from 35. 35 minus 7, then the answer minus 7, minus 7 and minus 7. Let's see the sharing equal parity. Equal sharing. So it will be like this. As I have given you the example of the chocolate, we have to equally distribute among 4 kids like this. Okay, let's move back to our presentation. Okay, this was visualization of multiplication and division. Okay, now let's solve. We have already understood how to divide 50 using long division. Now we have to divide it and we have to find our solution. Okay, so let's do the division. So first we will do this. Okay, so let me write here. Inside the box we have to write 51,77365. Okay, we have to divide it by 63. So first we will check the 2 digit, that is 51. 51 is less than 63. So then we have to check the 3 digit, that is 517. And 517 is much greater than 63. So it will be a multiple of 9 or by 8. So let's check it by 9. So it's 7, 2 will be carried forward. So it's 50, 4 plus 2, 56. Now let's check by 8 because it's greater, we can't divide it. So let's multiply it by 8. So it's 24, 2 will be carried forward. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So we'll get 504. Now we have to subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1, and we have to bring this 7 down. So it's 137, that is nearer. So don't forget to write your quotient 8 over here. Then multiply 63 by 3. So it's 9 and it's 18, much greater. Now let's multiply it by 2. So it's 6 and it's 12. So 126 we will get. So then we will subtract. So we will write 2 over here. 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we'll bring this 3 down. So 126 is greater, so it will be 63 times 63 times 1. 0 and 11 minus 6 is 5. Now we have to bring this 6 down. So 6 is here. We know 63 times 8 is 504. We have already checked it. So we will write here 504. And we have to do the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we have to bring this 5 down. So it's 25. So 25 is less than 63. That means 25 is the remainder. And 8,218 is our answer. Okay. Okay, let me tell you, when divisor is 10,000 and 100, what we have to do is simple. Count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 2. So write the last 2 digits as a remainder and rest are question. Simple. For example, I will give you more examples. So let's see some more examples. So here I will tell you, we will divide also. So 100 times 1 is 100. So we will write down 100 here. And then minus, it will be 45 and we will bring this 6 down. And 100 times 4 is 400. We will subtract and it is 56. So 56 is our remainder and 14 is our quotient. Simple, you have to count the number of zeros. Okay, and without solving, in one step you can write here. So count the number of zeros. In 100 we have 2 zeros. So count the 2 digits from right hand side, 1, 2. So put 56 as a remainder and rest is quotient. Okay, got it? Okay, so you can do these questions? Yes. So it's 100. So it will be last 2 digit remainder. So 98889 is quotient, right? Now last 3 digit for remainder. So 900 will be remainder, right? So 98898 will be our quotient and 900 will be remainder. Now 4 digit, that means these 4 we have to put. So 988 will be quotient and 8,900 will be our remainder. Here the remainder is 900. Okay, got it? So we will simply count the number of zeros as I have shown for multiplication, and simple and easy trick. Okay, let's do a word problem. So word problem is, a state government has distributed rupees 2 crore 26 lakh 87,875 among 3,015 farmers. Find the share of each farmer. Whenever you will have a question like you have to find how much each will get, or you have to distribute equally, that means you have to do the division. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we have a big number, so we'll put a small board and we will perform the we will perform the division. So 26878575, right? And we have to divide it by 3015. Okay, first of all we have to check 4 digit. 4 digit are smaller. Then we have to check 5 digit. Okay, so I will write here 3015. So it will be close to 7 or 8. So let's multiply first by 7. So it's 35. 3 will be carry forward 21. It will be 24 and it will be 21. Okay, so we'll get 21245. Okay, 7 1 are 7. 7 plus 3. Okay, it's 7 times 5 is 35. 3 will be carried forward. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 3 will make it 10. So we have to write 10 here. 1 will be carried forward. So it's 1 here. Okay. And 7 times 3 is 21. So we have to correct it. Okay. Okay. So we will get, yeah, so we have done it here wrong. So it's 10. 1 carry forward. So it's 7 times, yeah, 10, and it will be 1 here, and it's 21. So 2, yeah, we have to write 2 1 1 0 5. Let's do the subtraction. So it's 7 minus 5 is 2. It's 8. It's 5. It's 1. Okay, 1 5 2 8. And we have to bring this 8 down. Okay, now we have to check the number. So let's check it with 4 first. So 4 times is 22, carry forward. 4 times 4, 4 and plus 2, 6, 0 and 12. So it's much smaller. Let's check it with 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. 2 will be carried forward. So it's 7, it's 0 and it's 15. Yeah, so it is 7 and 5. So write 7 and 5 and write down the answer 17075. So it's 3, it's 12 minus 7 is 5. It's 7 here. So 7 5 3. Bring 7 down. Okay, so it's a smaller number. Let's multiply it with by 2. 3015 multiplied by 2. So it's 10. 1 carry forward. 2 and 3 and 0 and 6. So 6030. 6030. Okay. So let's write down 6030. So when we will do subtraction, we will get 0 and 5. And we have to bring this 5 down. And we will get 1. So it's easy. We have already checked with 5. So we got the answer. It is 7525 is our answer. And it is completely divisible by 3015. Right? Okay, so our answer is correct. So what we have learned today, we have done the revision of addition and subtraction. Then we have done multiplication. We have learned how to do multiplication of large numbers. We have also learned division of large numbers, word problems related to the multiplication and division of large numbers. So we have done so many things, and few things we have to keep in mind. So while doing the multiplication and division by base number like 100 and 1000, that are much easier. We can do it in only one step. So take care. Bye bye. We will meet in our next session 8. Till then, practice, okay, and come out with your doubts, and don't forget to write the answer of the challenge of the day, and don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. So bye bye, take care.